to all my love and light beings. Welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, aka my Alaskan Queen. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing for Birchbox. And let's go ahead and get started. Here's the box for this month. And there's the inside. It says, soak in the sun, embrace the warmer weather safely with these sun protection pointers. 1. Get your yearly checkup. As you spend more time in the sun this month, make your annual appointment with your dermatologist. 2. Do regular self-exams. Meanwhile, look for any changes in existing freckles, spots, and moles. Don't forget your scalp, feet, and back. 3. Find the right SPF. SPF 30 blocks 97% of the sun's UVB rays, which causes skin to burn. The higher the SPF, the higher the level of protection. See our faves at birch.ly/SPF. 4. Apply sunscreen generously. Use an ounce, about a shot glass of sunscreen to cover your body. Reapply every 2 hours or after swimming or sweating. Flip over to learn some bright ideas about your box this month. And then on the back it has what's in the box. So this first thing is Balance Me. And it says Congested Skin Serum. The full size goes for $23. This calming serum banishes blemishes, refines pores, and balances skin without drying it out. Plus, it smells amazing. It does. I can't put my finger on it. But it's kind of like, very citrusy, but it has a floral smell to it. It actually smells kind of like liquid or lemon pledge. That's what it is. Lemon pledge. It has a strong citrus smell. So the next thing is a sun protector. Beauty protector. That's this little bottle here. It is a leave-in conditioner. It says protect and detangle. I can actually use this for my little itsy bitsy because she has very bad tangly problems. So I will be testing this on her, but worry not because I'm sure she'll be fine. Her hair is very close to human hair, and if you didn't know, Yorkie Terriers are one of the only hypoallergenic animals. That's because they do not release the dander that other pets do. So her hair is the closest to human hair, and this will actually work really well on her. I do have a detangler from Paul Mitchell that I use on her regularly, but I like that smell. So I love her up a lot, so I'd love to love her up while she's smelling like this. So don't worry, it's not going to cause her any harm. I just sprayed in her hair, and it actually will probably do good for her because this says, this paraben and sulfate-free detangler protects against UV rays and heat styling while also preventing color from fading. Spritz on towel-dried hair, and she loves to sit in the sun, so that's going to be really awesome for my little baby girl. The next thing is by Kula. It says this is a resilient organic BB cream, SPF 30 in the shade Golden. The full size retails for $52. It says this BB cream sunscreen hybrid hydrates skin with rose botanical stem cells while adding a total touch of sheer color that's ultra blendable and flatters a wide range of skin tones. So that's pretty awesome. 70% plus organic, featuring a bouquet of pale damas, white, and apothecary rose stem cells. Pardon me. The next thing is by Kenzie. Hoodies perfume. Full size retails for $55. It says this floral blend of rose, jasmine, peach, mandarin, sandalwood, and vanilla redefines the classic bouquet for a scent that's special and versatile. So I've been giving my mom all of my samples that I've been receiving for females. It actually smells like a strong liqueur. Maybe it'll calm down after a while, but whew, that first scent is just like a straight up shot. Okay, there I go. It does have a nice scent to it. It's very smooth and light. It must be the alcohol in there that got to me, but I'm smelling very like kind of a peachy, floral, vanilla, just like it says, but it's very very smooth, not too overpowering. And the last thing that we got in this month's Birchbox is by Lock. It stands for Love of Color. One and Done Shadow Stick in Heavy Petal. Full size goes for $10. It says this waterproof shadow stick is versatile, light rose golden shade. Delivers up to 11 hours of creaseless color. No brushes, blenders, or primers needed. So that's pretty awesome. It's definitely like a rose gold color. So that's really awesome. That's pretty. I think that's my favorite item in this month. So that's it for this month's Birchbox. Go ahead and get a snap for my tag. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And if you'd like to see how I created this look using 2 of Kat Von D's palettes, please stay tuned for my next video. I'll have it posted after I get these unboxing done. Thank you all so much. Love and light.